Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with SilkBoss with a song called, it's a music video called Protect Me. Big up SilkBoss. Don't know, so anytime SilkBoss go through anything, he always jump in their music and them always come out fiery. SilkBoss is one of those artists who's very raw, talented. Like, yeah, SilkBoss is just SilkBoss. So not much more to say about SilkBoss. So let's jump in on here where I say in a Protect Me.
Prodigy Records.
Vocal range crazy, bro.
Lord, protect me from demons that lurk in the dark. You know darkness, though. Enough things happen at the past. Me look on it and move on. Can't trust people for true, dog.
Yo, enough things happen in the past. Just look on it and just move on. You can't trust people for true, dog. So you wanna not because me look past it and move on, that don't mean something forget, you know.
At the past, me look on it and move on. Can't trust people for true, dog. Wish me could have built a house on the moon star and stay far from people.
Yo, you can't trust people for real, dog. We know that long time. We know that. Right now, me wish me could have just left the human race, bro. Build a house on the moon and just me by myself. Yeah.
Wish me could have built a house on the moon star and stay far from people. Cause them done genuine like my new clocks. Ever paranoid, never too calm. Stay up on my peas and my cue cause it's serpent shape shifting at too far. Protect.
Clad serpent shape shifting at too farm. Them not genuine like my new clocks. No, them fake. Made downtown Kingston. Made in China. Them not real. And the clocks, them not better. Them not real like the clocks. No.
Stay up on my peas and my cue cause it's serpent shape shifting at too far. Protect me from demons that lurk in the dark. Send your angels from heaven to save me, oh Lord. Got the more than a real up from what they have me said. Always so easy for them switch for me. Bro.
Them not real, brother. Them just a things, friend. Them just want their own me for where them could have get. Because it's so easy for them to switch. One little thing in the ear or one little premium start and on just switch so. On never read from the start, bro. We know that. On our things, friend. Yeah? Champion for my real friends. Champion for my real friends.
Them a real up from what they have me said. Always so easy for them switch for me. Protect me from demons that lurk in the dark. Oh no, can't tell me about pain if I never war and lose couple jet. What?
If you can't tell me, can't tell me about this, brother. Cause if you never been through it, if you never walk the road I walk, you can't tell me about it.
Oh no, can't tell me about pain if I never war and lose couple jet. When I'm a dog down a jail and my best friend lose him life the other day. Call me Mr. Ricochet, cause the thing them use fight me use rise up again.
Yo, that's true. That's facts. That right at the sort, the line there facts. Call me Ricochet. Call me Boomerang, brother. Every time them try off of me, brother, that same thing they when them try, me use that. And I step in front of the drop and next hit song and them bumbo clatted. Boosh. Yeah. Me put my pain in the music so people can relate, cause I know me alone I go through them pain here. People switch by you every day. People switch by you every day. So that's why people can relate, come put on my music.
Call me Mr. Ricochet, cause the thing them use fight me use rise up again.
Yeah.
Yo, Judge, I beg a guide for me step. Me at the band king with this spin for great. Heart clean and I walk with faith. Mom in the home, she a fast and pray. Say no demon standing on my way. That's why me no walk with faith.
Me no walk with fear, bro. You know what? Mommy prayer always cover me. Mommy prayer always cover me. She the home, not just praying, she's fasting also. So she's doing the whole ritual that need to be done to make sure her son protected. You see me? I am the born king, but I'm just not crown it. Anytime them want crown me, it's gonna be too late. But me there, you know?
Demon standing on my way.
Yeah.
That's why me no walk with faith. Me no walk with faith. That's why me no walk with faith. You know I get fair.
Never
Got
fear.
me a walk with protect me from demons that lurk in the dark. Send your angels from heaven to save me, oh Lord. Can the boy then a real and from what they are me said. Oh, it's so easy for them search for me. Protect me from demons that lurk in the dark. Life coming like chess from the board out. Now it's tricky kill a friend, kill a know that.
Yo, life coming like chess on the board, brother. A chess piece we a play. Me nah itch for kill a friend killer, bro. Me nah itch for kill one of them. As them run up, me kill them. As me find them out, me kill them. Cause them a friend killer. And they may kill me too. You know?
Life coming like chess from the board out. Now it's kill a friend, kill a know that. Portal, me 2 killers in a pro box. 4 cloth and 4 gun. Lord that protect me and me know.
Yeah, me 4 killers in a pro box. 4 cloth.
Now it's kill a friend, kill a know that. Portal, me 2 killers in a pro box. 4
Me 2 killers in a pro box. 4 cloth and 4 gone. The Maggie cloth, the 4 Magnum cloth and 4 of them gone.
Now it's kill a friend, kill a know that.
Play Pirates.
Me 2 killers in a pro box. 4 cloth and 4 gun.
Play Pirates, so it sounds simple, but trust me, it meds.
Life coming like chess from the board out. Now it's kill a friend, kill a know that. Portal, me 2 killers in a pro box. 4 cloth and 4 gun. Lord that protect me and me know that. The Bible have me shield with 4 glock. When the cloth head bust like coconut. Me a sinner and me know but protect me from demons that lurk in the dark. Send your angels from heaven to save me, oh Lord. Got the boy than a real and from what they have me said. Oh, it's so easy for them switch for me. Protect me from demons that lurk in the dark.
If you notice, him have only demons around him dressed in black, but him have him light, a shine pan them, you see me? So I'm say, yo, me soon, you know. Don't feel me not soon, you know. So, I'm light my hand, I can't let my hand a shine pan.
Demons that lurk in the dark.
Yeah. Yeah. Demons are dying. Bumbo clot. The next powerful one by Silk again. Silk, big up yourself, my G. Yo, this bad. And like me say, anytime you see Silk drop them song, you know, a problem, you know. A problem in the dark, cause let me know. But you know where him got through, where him decide to drop that one, this one is just a deep meds, with my meds. But yeah, like anytime you see him get some fight, him always put down one song. Silk is a true artist, bro. Silk is a true talent, bro. Like no joke, bro. SilkBoss bad, brother. This is I can feel this one being a hit to add to his hit songs that's in his catalog. You see me? Big up yourself, Silk. Big up Ice Nation. Big up Ice Queen yourself. Big up. So yo, talented, bro. Talented, my fam. I can't go around Silk, bro. You can't go around Silk, bro. You cannot go around Silk, can it? Anyway, this time I'm gonna leave the one now. If you enjoy the one I want some more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new, man. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.